Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Palworld stuck on loading screen. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do if you're experiencing this error is to check the system requirements. So if the game does not launch or it is stuck on loading screen, then it might be possible that your device is not compatible with the game and does not fulfill its system requirements. So in that case, the first thing that you can do is to check for the game system required system configurations and ensure that your device fulfills the minimum system requirement for the Palworld game. So here are the minimum recommended and recommended requirements for Palworld game. So you can just simply pause this video and check the following information if you want to do that. And then let's get on with the next method, and then that is to close unnecessary software. So sometimes users encounter the issue while playing the game because unnecessary software running in the background consumes the system resources, and their game does not get necessary resources such as the RAM, CPU, and others. So in that case, closing the unnecessary software from the background will fix your problem. So here's how you can completely close the program. So just first simply click onto the Windows search bar and type Task Manager, and from the result, open the program with administrator permissions. So from the Task Manager, select the Processes tab, so right here, and here find the software you want to close and right click on it, and from the appearing menu, just simply select End Task. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if your Palworld is stuck on a loading screen. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.